Hi guys, I thought I would share my happy place with you, my garage and cave. So, just entering here into the hallway, there's a certain smell which I connect to happy thoughts. So, let's take a tour. Entering the cave, it's Christmas time. And yeah, so first of all, this wall I have, jackets and gear. I share this with my son also, who just started riding. Um, some stuff, all the boots, mine and my son's, protection in the boxes, just riding clothes, goggles, gloves, buffs, socks, helmets, backpacks, and stuff like that. My daughter just moved to a small apartment, so she left some furniture here, and this one comes into good use. Looks fancy. The bar usually have podcasts and stuff like that. This speaker is always pumping with music, but I cannot have that now because it's YouTube. The shelf for camping. Just some cave stuff. Got this from Latvia, some kind of mead, honey, something like that. The standard ravioli can and some gas and some coffee. All my camping gear with, the first tent I ever bought, the last tent, hammocks and pillows and stuff like that. Boxes with camping stuff. It's incredible how much I gathered over the years. Always keep my sleeping bags just hanging to keep them fluffy. Summer, the first cheap one I got, the Corinthia Defense 4 for winter, really warm. And this place, I'm thinking about making it more like a nice lighted studio thing here. The big map, I paint with red places we go. There's a little dot there in Tanzania, but I'd like to paint some more here, perhaps there. I'd like to paint down there and all over the place. See, this place is not yet explored. France, Spain, Portugal need to do that soon. All right. TV, all my electronics, charging, tripods, action cams, stuff like that. I don't have a fridge, but I have this little beach cooler that works. Now entering the bike area. We have luggage, some Enduristan stuff, Moscow stuff, tank bags and such. The T7, the trusted T7, of course. I keep it in a charger because it has the SIS app, GPS tracking and everything. And that drains too much over winter. The Suzuki GSX 400E from 1982 that I converted to a cafe racer when my son was done learning riding on it. My old mountain bike, motorcycle parking only. The workshop space where I have a compressor, some tools and grinders and whatnot. These are mostly parts from the Suzuki project. I will clear that out soon. Tire changing stuff, old tires that I need to recycle somewhere. Not only mine, but I help my friends. They can come here and change the tires. The PR7, of course, on the throne. Love this organizer for tools and everything. great stuff. Not that expensive. Homeworks is the brand where I can organize stuff. Some stuff for mounting cameras on the bike. Stuff, and all the stickers. I love the stickers because I have a personal connection to pretty much all of them. Here, see if you can recognize some. Dun, 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 dun. And we have some people that visited here. Off we go. Like that. Yes. 1 more mile riders from Turkey. These lights are awesome, not only for filming but for working on the bike and stuff like that. So that is my happy place, and I come here not only when I have things to work on. I just come here to relax, listen to music, play with all the toys that I have. So that's where I live, and enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye bye.